Oh my god, look at my hands.
She is shaking.
It's heavy. Feel it.
Oh, damn.
Oh my god.
I got it.
Oh. I love my boys.
What does it look like?
But I gotta open it.
She not even gonna wait till we get home.
But you said you're not gonna open it in the car.
Oh,
You
it's
said
so pretty. I don't even want to open it. Oh my god.
Proof. Oh.
Ah.
Look, it opens up like the door, the BTS. Please, so stupid.
I want to take a picture. Hold on. And look, we're listening to BTS too. Ow.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Well, I'm not cutting you.
It's too pretty. I have to take a picture before I take anything out. Alright.
She cut it at Target.
Oh, that's not the album. That's my face.
I love this. How you
Okay,
open
watch
it
it,
up.
watch it.
Wow, my gosh, you don't even want me to touch it.
I don't want to get my hand in it. I just want to like... No, it's not going to work. I have to do a video. Okay. Oh, that's a picture.
oh gosh, can't.
I'm struggling right now.
You're so nervous. Relax. You act like they're gonna jump out the box.
Man, it's froze.
Okay, I'll do it later. What's it later? Oh,
It's gonna
my
storm. Look at the sky in Florida.
God. All right. Oh, it's so pretty. There's so much
something.
stuff. This is the albums.
No.
Wait, let me see.
The
Oh my
album,
God, look.
CDs are in there.
Can't see.
All right, okay.
It's a man. Oh my god.
It's Jimin!
Gemini! Let me see.
I'm crying. It's my bias, my baby.
Look at the front. Wait a minute. Front. Back.
I'm
Front.
literally.
Let's hang him right here.
No, put
Let's
it
hang him.
around. I'm literally crying.
What else?
I love them all, but Jimin
Okay.
is my heart, my everything. This is the CDs.
Now you get to listen to them in real life.
This is CD 1,
Two.
CD 2, CD 3.
Wait, let me take a picture of it. Hold on. Okay.
That's what it looks like. Oh my,
Jessity, cállate.
you got me freaking out.
I can't believe I got Jimin.
Well, now you're lucky enough.
Esa nena no se calle.
Why?
Oh, what's that? Books in there?
Yes, yeah. I think I'll open these when I get home.
No,
because-
but now I want to see
Wait,
it.
hold these really quick because it's heavy. Oh God. They're my proof. We're their proof.
Oh, God. Let me see. Identity.
Reflection of youth. Oh. You can't sleep at night? You read this. It says beyond. Oh, I think it says beyond the scene. I could be wrong. Oh, it opens like this. Yeah, beyond the scene. I was right. I know my boys. Can't tell me nothing.
You're putting it wrong.
Oh, I'm just excited.
What else is under there?
It's a whole entire book. It's not even done yet.
You putting it wrong. You're
No, I'm
messing
not.
it
I
up.
put it right. discography. You ready for their discography?
Looks like a damn encyclopedia.
Against prejudice, for our generation, for my music.
Okay, go to the next. Come on, come on.
All right. This is their discography. Look at all their stuff. This is an anthology album. Just saying, this is everything.
Real everything.
This is everything. Okay.
Oh my god.
Look at that. We got Jimin. We got Jin. We got RM. We got Jungkook. Look at them.
Sugar, you didn't say sugar.
Look at them.
Didn't say sugar.
I would love to hang out with them.
Look at Map of the Soul.
Okay, go to the next one.
Look at these babies. Look at them. Look at J-Ho.
Hold on,
Look at
take a
Suga.
picture of that. Okay.
Did you get the little thing? It says we are bulletproof. It says we are bulletproof. It's what takes the books out.
Okay,
There
no,
you go,
just
like
hold that
that.
right there.
We are
Over
bulletproof.
here.
We are bulletproof. That's what they said in the song.
Here, hold this.
Bulletproof is
You ready? Bullets can never damage them.
What's that?
Nothing. Proof. Feel it.
Oh wow.
Look at the bullets.
That would have been nice if you could feel that too, like a 3D
Right?
type of thing.
But this is cool right here, like this. Photographs is gonna be the
Uh-oh.
pictures. Proof.
Oh
You
my
ready?
God.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Look at them.
Sexy.
Don't
Bang. Beep. You sexy.
Who's
beep.
that? That's Hobie. Look at him. That's our little sunshine.
Yeah,
Little sunshine gone
Okay,
bad. Worldwide handsome.
Oh my
Look at
god.
them.
They so sexy.
We got J-O-R-M.
Okay, what's next?
Jimin, Shuka.
Okay.
J-Ho.
What's this one right here?
JK.
What's this one right here?
cookies
Give me a hold to it.
and Jungkook
Oh,
and
we're not even done yet.
Oh, there's more.
They love us. Of course there's something more.
That would have been nice if it would have been like a pop-up. You know those pop-up books, and you open it up and
Look, my hands are
they
shaky.
pop up.
Look at that.
Their freaking
Their
shoes,
shoes, RM.
big feet.
Suga always on his phone.
Look at them working so hard, as they should.
The babies. Worldwide handsome.
I wish I was that age again. Where were they in my time? That's okay.
My baby Mochi.
Baby Mochi.
You're Junie.
Okay, go to the next book.
Woo!
This is, I like how it feels.
We're now trapped here looking at these monkeys.
Oh, these are the lyrics.
Okay.
Yeah, these are the lyrics of the song.
Nice. Okay,
Euphoria.
give me.
And this is the poster. This is gonna be a big
Okay,
poster.
it's a big poster, but it comes with a poster. Okay, don't open it up.
Yeah, I don't
open
want
it
to.
up.
It's
Okay,
too
put
pretty.
it back.
We are
It's like a,
bulletproof.
it's like a book. Here, this
One.
one goes.
2, 3, 4,
This one was the top of that.
5.
I like how this feels. It feels like a suede, like
Yeah, it does.
a suede, like.
Jimin. Oh, there's cards.
There's more in there.
I was
Oh,
wondering where
shit.
the photo cards are.
Look at that. Okay.
Cookie.
Sugar.
Sugar.
This is bulletproof.
Shit.
Is there anything
Oh,
behind them?
Jimin. It's the Proof.
It would have been nice if their name.
This is
was
what
on
I got.
top.
This is the
Maybe
main
their
one.
name
I got
was-
all of them. The main one.
Oh.
Because it gives you one random.
Oh, wait till I get my set. Ha ha ha.
I'm so happy.
You're happy. She's a happy army.
I work hard.
You
And I got myself.
She got her proof.
I love them all. But since freshman year, Jimin had my heart. I was like,
took
who's
your
that?
heart.
I like
You
him.
gotta get a picture frame to put him on. Shit, you gotta get. Shit, it's gonna be hard because
I'm
you
gonna
got
feed
two
him.
sides.
I'm gonna give him some water, some food.
We could print that out on the printer.
I'm trying to put it in. Let me do this first. I was wondering where the cards were. I was like, where are my photo cards?
That is some nice packaging.
Very.
Did they autograph it, the books?
No,
Oh, that would be nice if they had their
That would've been-
autograph.
that would have been amazing.
Because then it'll make you feel like they did it themselves. And,
They did do this themselves.
Well, you not put that in right. That was supposed to go on the.
Oh, it's not.
You did it wrong. Well, just that way.
Then you go up to the outside.
I like how this opens up, like their the door, their door.
Yes.
Here.
King.
Big
It's
thing.
heavy. When she gave it to me, I was like,
Because of the
the books.
Well, guys, there you go. Proof.
A bullet.
I got proof the set
And that's coming
through
in
Weavers.
That-
So I just got my notification that it's shipped. So who knows when I'm gonna get
I
it?
was just impatient and got it from Target.
And she couldn't wait, so she got it
I'm
from.
struggling because
She got it from Target. Gimme.
I'm trying to take care of them. They're coming home.
With us.
There we go.
And peace. And heart.
I did it.
She did it. Well, BTS, thank you for this.
For our heads,
Oh, turn it around, turn it around. Look. Wait.
BTS!